You may have never heard of Pauli Murray, but her ideas reshaped the fight for civil rights and gender equality. Brown versus Board of Education, the Supreme Court case that made segregated schools unconstitutional, would not have happened if it wasn't for Pauli Murray. In 1950, she wrote this book, The State's Law on Race and Color. It was a comprehensive legal analysis of every law that segregated black from white in the South. Thurgood Marshall cited directly from this book when he took the case to the Supreme Court. He would later go on to call her book the Bible of the civil rights movement. Part of her book was the research on the psychological harms of segregation on black children. She didn't just play a role behind the scenes. She helped found the National Organization of Women and became a priest. And she actually mentored Ruth Bader Ginsburg.
I was engaged as a summer associate in a law firm, and I was taken to meet the lone woman associate, Pauli Murray. I thought she was remarkable. She had written the book about her family, Proud Shoes, and I had read that.
She also wrote an article called Jane Crow and the Law, where she did a legal analysis on every law that limited women in America. This article was cited by Ruth Bader Ginsburg during the court case Reed versus Reed. A woman wanted to take over her deceased son's estate, but the Idaho law said that men get preference. And Ruth Bader Ginsburg won the case, and because of that, she did something special. Ruth Bader Ginsburg won the case in Reed versus Reed, and she made sure to include Pauli Murray's name in the brief, because she realized she was standing on the shoulders of someone who made her victory possible.